Why? Authorization matters in automation. Just like you need a passport to enter a secure country, programs need proof of identity before accessing protected data. In automation, systems constantly exchange information, customer records, payments, private messages, analytics. Without proper authorization, sensitive data could be exposed or misused. That's why understanding authorization is essential for building secure and reliable workflows. Authentication versus authorization. Authorization is the process of verifying what a user or program is allowed to do. But before authorization happens, authentication must occur. Authentication answers the question, "Who are you?" This usually involves logging in with a username and password. Authorization answers the question, "What are you allowed to do?" Once authenticated, the system checks your permissions. For example, an admin may have access to all data, while a regular user can only view their own information. Think of it this way. Logging into your account proves your identity. Your role, admin or user, determines what actions you're permitted to perform. How authorization works with APIs. Let's walk through a real-world API example. First, a user logs into an application. The app sends an authentication request to the server, which verifies the username and password. Once verified, the server generates an API key. This key acts like a digital credential. The application then includes this API key in future requests to external services. When the external API receives the request, it checks the API key. If the key is valid and has proper permissions, access is granted. If not, the request is rejected. Authorization works like a security guard checking your ID at a gate. Without valid credentials, you cannot pass. The role of API keys in security. API keys are commonly used to both authenticate and authorize API access. They uniquely identify the requesting application and determine what level of access it has. For example, one API key may allow read-only access to data, while another may allow creating or deleting records. By controlling permissions through keys, systems ensure that only authorized actions are performed. Without authorization controls, any system could potentially access sensitive data. With proper authorization, access is limited, monitored, and secure. Key takeaways. Authentication verifies identity. Authorization verifies permissions. After a system proves who it is, authorization determines what actions it can perform. API keys are commonly used to manage and control access to APIs. Authorization protects sensitive systems and data by ensuring only approved users and programs can access specific resources. In automation, security is not optional, it's foundational.